In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the slow loading problem of your Wix website, specifically dealing with media and CDN issues. If you're frustrated with how long it takes for your website to load, don't worry, we've got a simple yet effective solution for you today. First, let's begin by going to your browser settings. This is a crucial step because sometimes the speed issues you experience may be related to your browser and not your site per se. For most browsers, you can find settings in the upper right-hand corner, typically represented by three dots or lines. Click on that to open a menu and locate the Settings or Options tab. Once you're in the Settings area, you need to look for the option that allows you to clear browsing data, cache, and cookies. These are small bits of data and files that your browser saves to make the browsing experience faster, but they can sometimes cause issues with loading newer versions of websites or get bloated over time, which slows things down. Look for a section that might be labeled Privacy and Security, History, or simply browsing data. Here, you'll typically find the option to clear cache and cookies. When you're ready, go ahead and clear these data files. It might take a minute or so, depending on how much data you have accumulated over time. It's a good idea to select to remove all data, not just from the last hour or day, to ensure that we're completely clearing out any old or corrupted files that could be causing problems. Once done, you're well on your way to increasing the loading speed of your Wix site. To complete the process, try accessing your Wix site again with a fresh start. This should help in loading the new, optimized versions of your site pages. Having a cleared browser cache means that your browser isn't forced to use outdated files, ensuring it loads the most current version of all the assets on your site. If after clearing your browser data, you still encounter loading issues, consider examining other potential factors such as your internet connection, any additional plugins, or browser-specific settings that may be impacting performance. However, starting with clearing cache and cookies is often a quick fix for many. And there you have it. By simply accessing your browser settings and clearing out old data, you can significantly improve the loading speed of your Wix website. Remember, regular maintenance like this can not only enhance speed, but also improve the overall performance of your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you get your website running smoothly and efficiently. Catch you in the next video.